Ever want to know if your power bank is as good as it claims to be? Well, here is a simple and easy way to test it. This power bank right here claims to have 8,000 milliamp hours, and we can test that simply by plugging in a USB tester. As you can see, it lights up and shows the voltage, current, and the capacity. And the capacity is what we really want to measure. And also a USB test load. I have set this one to 2 amps with a little potentiometer over here. So now I will plug this in. And as you can see, it is drawing 2 amps, which is a pretty reasonable current for a phone to draw. This power bank can output 2 amps, but if yours can only output 1 amp, then set it to 1 amp. So now I just got to leave this sit for a long time and let the capacity count up. It's been several hours now, and the power bank has cut out. It isn't outputting the voltage to the tester anymore. I can still turn it on by clicking the button. And as you can see, the tester actually saves the capacity reading, and it is only about 4,830 milliamp hours. The last light is blinking, indicating that it's low on juice. It still probably has a little bit more, but I'm not going to bother discharging it anymore. So it is approximately 4,840 milliamps, which unfortunately is a far cry from the promised 8,000 milliamp hours. However, this is probably just because this thing only cares about current and not voltage. So what I can do is that this thing is measuring at 5 volts, but the battery inside of this is actually 3.7 volts. So I can use a little bit of math to calculate the energy stored in this power bank, and this thing advertises 29.6 watt hours. And now let me go ahead and get a calculator to see if that's true. Here's a calculator. So we have approximately 4,830 milliamp hours, and then we can multiply this by 5 volts to get the promised energy, which is 24.1 watt hours, and it's actually not that far off from 29.6 watt hours, and the excess capacity that's left over in the battery after the charging circuitry has cut out probably accounts for that.